How to block unknown incoming calls on Android. Dealing with incessant unknown callers on your Android device can be a real nuisance. If you're tired of the constant interruptions from unidentified numbers or spam calls, this guide is here to help. I'll walk you through the process of blocking unknown incoming calls on your Android phone, allowing you to regain your peace and tranquility. To get started, launch the phone application. Tap on the three-dot menu on the top right corner and select Settings. Tap on Block Numbers. Enabling block calls from unknown numbers will block all calls coming from people you don't have in your contact list. This may be extreme to some people. If you just want certain numbers blocked, you can add them here one by one. You can add a number from your recent calls, your messages, your contacts, or add them manually by entering the number in the Add Phone Number field, then tapping on the plus button to its right. If you're just bothered by the telemarketers and potential scammers, you can block them without having to block everyone you don't have in your contacts. Tap on Block Spam and Scam Calls and enable this feature. At the bottom, you get to choose if you want to block all spam and scam calls or only the high-risk scam calls. Now you can have more peace and control over your calling experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.